in here.
I'm not.
We're in the snow and I'm wearing my fat suit.
Me too.
Yeah, well except hers, she still looks skinny.
Cold.
Anyway, so we're gonna go sled riding in the snow in her backyard.
There's not much left.
And we're just gonna have you watch us because we're bored like that. So come on. My balance was off.
No, we gotta move it. Because we're gonna go over there. Okay. Now we're gonna go over there.
Guess what? This is snow. This is snow.
Wait, the dog is down here.
She's gonna go.
Yeah, try.
Here, get the camera. Ah, she just hit me with snow.
Shit.
Well then,
There.
we're gonna go over here.
Get your sled.
I will get my sled when I'm good and ready, Helena. Where are we gonna put it?
On here.
Alright, we're gonna put you guys in here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I think you can.
Okay, let's try. Look at your sled. I'm gonna try a different sled. Hey! We're gonna go down with you. Just to have the thrill.
This is gonna be a bad video because of you.
You go down one, and I go down one. I go down this one. You can go down the one with the ramp.
Alright. What are you supposed to do with the camera?
I'm gonna hold it.
Well, you're facing you, honey.
No, I'm gonna go with this.
Alright.
I can't.
Go.
Whoa.
This might not work out very well.
No, don't go down that one. That was that one. Oh, good. You missed the ramp. Alright. Now I'll put you back. Just yeah.
Give me the camera. Smile.
You're cold.
Well then.